I'm in Maryland right now, so I'm waiting for a load, and I'm gonna start cooking some chicken here because I'm hungry though. I got my cooker there. This is like a pressure cooker, but it's a steamer. And the rice cooker, we're gonna do some rice later on. I'm gonna cook these chicken thighs. They got bones. I just put salt in it. I got some onion chopped and garlic. And I'm gonna be using one of these cans of pimentos, the whole red ones. First, we put this thing on steam because it's like the highest temperature I have. So we're gonna throw in some oil. Right, that should be enough. Okay. I always use the extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil's hot, we're gonna throw the chickens in there. I'm going to leave the chicken there for like 15 minutes with the top off so all the steam comes out and it gets really hot in there. Somebody want some chicken? Meanwhile, we're gonna do the rice. I'm gonna throw a 8-ounce cup in there. Go in with the oil. I'll go ahead and throw in a teaspoon of salt. That should be enough. And now all you need is this 16 ounces of water. For 8 ounces of rice, 16 ounces of water. Set the rice cooker and let it do this job. You don't have to do nothing else. Now we're gonna check the chicken. Look how it's going. Oh, alright. I'm gonna turn this over. You can use whatever oil you like. Now we're gonna throw in all these spices. This is how it looks like when I added up my spices after I turned the chicken over. So now I'm just gonna add some tomato sauce on top of it. So now you close it up. Close it up with the tomato sauce. Leave it like this for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put the top in for the last 5 minutes. So here's the chicken done. Chicken and avocado. Look at that. That's looking delicious. Delicious. Freaking delicious. The avocado's moving. It's alive. It's alive. That's chicken good, man.